In this video, we'll be looking at the full screen icon found in Toolbar 2. The full screen icon allows us to go to full screen and maximize the use of our interactive whiteboard. With this, Toolbar 2, Toolbar 3 along the side disappears and we just have the content on our screen. I advise using the full screen when you know exactly what you want to do with the lesson, or you're just presenting one way. You're not really wanting the students to come up and interact. Or if you're confident enough that the students can use the board correctly and you know what's coming in your next page and where the lesson is going. We can click on the full screen icon and this will enlarge our entire page. We then have a floating toolbar which comes with the full screen. On these we have our next page or previous page. We then have our three dots, which is called more options, which allows us to bring up Toolbar 2. Here we can go and find all our different little options that we need, such as screen shade, such as changing to the different pens or highlighters, putting in lines, shapes, adding text. Moving along, I have my response options because I have response loaded onto my computer. I then have entire page or page width. So that allows me on my full page to skip between entire page and full page. And before I go out of the full screen button, I can extend it. And this will give me 4 more options. Add a new page, undo, select, and magic pen. Add a blank page allows me to add it anywhere during my presentation, which is great because I don't have to go out of full screen and then go add a new page. I can add it in here and we can explain different topics that the students are not understanding, or if we can carry on and add other examples. I then have undo, so if I add something I can undo it. Back to my select and magic pen. And then when I'm finished, I simply click on exit full screen and this brings me out of full screen mode. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.